Hey everybody, it's Hog Daddy 1. What's going on? 2018, and we are starting a new segment, and something I've been wanting to do since I watched my dad used to do it when I was a kid. So let's prospect a little bit. So from the beginning, what do? I mean, I went to Cabela's and got this starter kit. Little starter kit, probably 40-45 bucks for it. For this starter kit, it has your squeegee bottle, which basically is a suck up all your little gold pieces in your pan. You get your scoop for your material. A film that shows you how everything is done. This is Kevin. He's the one that put this package together for all the beginners. You get a little packet with a vial and a pair of tweezers to pick out your little tiny pieces of gold. The vial I don't have anymore because of last year. I was testing all this stuff out, and I got a bunch of fool's gold out of my first material that I just picked up, and I stuck it in a little vial and stuck it on the counter, and it got knocked off and busted, so it's broke. So I got to get me some different vials. Also, it comes with a small pan, the bigger pan, and a classifier, a big classifier. So after a year, I figure I'm going to need more stuff because there's got to be a better way of doing this. So watch the movie. It's really informative. Makes good sense. So let's I'll show you some other tools that I have. You're going to need some kind of a picker, shovel, to get underneath big rocks so you can get the sand underneath it, because gold and black sand will set to the bottom, and what you're looking for is that black sand, because if you find black sand, you find the gold is in that. Gloves protect your hands because you're going to be in cold water. I got these aquatic shoes. It's, they're waterproof, so it's like you can wade in water. I don't know. Different classifiers. I had the bigger one to do the big rocks. So I went to like a dollar store. I mean, you could buy a package of classifiers that classifies different, the different sizes of rocks and sand. But I've gotten this one, which has got little tiny holes in it. A little bit smaller than that. Then I got a little bit wider sifter that has smaller holes than this one, and then a regular sifter for the small stuff. And then if I wanted to go smaller, I have a smaller sifter that just is barely anything. The vials that you get are little tiny, maybe about 2.5 inches. They're little tiny, and if you fill one of them, they're about that big. If you fill one of them, it's like $1,000. That's now in 2018. I don't know if gold has been going up, so maybe it's worth more. So I figure skip the middleman and go for the big ones. So we're going to try to fill these two. Who knows how much? This is going to be awesome, filling these up. This is actually PCB pipe, and what I have is 2 magnets stuffed in the barrel of it. Okay, and basically what this is, if you're looking to make sure that there's black sand, all you have to do is use this. It'll pick up anything, and if you've got black sand, this is a good way of finding out with these magnets. So that'd be nice, very nice. Also have 2 or 3 bowls for your different sizes. You can use plates, you can use anything you want, but I figure, you know, dollar store, $3, $4 for 4 of these. So for your classifications, so you have different size classifications, so you can see how much sand is what you got going. You know, different sizes. So this is a big setup. That's the beginning. Hey, if you're wanting to go out there, look on YouTube. There's a lot of YouTube gold mining stuff that prospecting. I got a lot of this ideas. I basically took ideas from a lot of these sites. So check them out. They're
Boy!